In today's video, I am going to teach you how to calculate loan EMI in Microsoft Excel. We will use a simple Excel worksheet to calculate three important loan values: the fixed monthly EMI, the total amount paid over the full loan period, and the total interest cost. Before starting, make sure your worksheet already contains the basic loan details. In this setup, cell B1 should contain the loan amount, cell B2 should contain the annual interest rate, and cell B3 should contain the loan term in years. Once these values are in place, Excel can do the calculations for you using formulas. First, click on cell B4. This is where we will calculate the monthly EMI payment. EMI stands for Equated Monthly Installment, which is the fixed amount you pay every month toward the loan. It usually includes both the principal repayment and the interest charged by the lender. With cell B4 selected, go to the formula bar and type the following formula: equals PMT, open bracket B2 divided by 12, comma B3 multiplied by 12, comma minus B1, close bracket. The full formula is equal sign PMT, B2 12, B3 12, minus B1. This formula uses Excel's PMT function. The first part, B2 divided by 12, converts the annual interest rate into a monthly interest rate. The second part, B3 multiplied by 12, converts the loan term from years into months. The final part, minus B1, tells Excel the loan amount. The negative sign is used so that Excel returns the monthly payment as a positive value. After entering the formula, press Enter on your keyboard. Excel will now calculate the fixed monthly EMI and display it in cell B4. This is the amount that would be paid every month based on the loan amount, interest rate, and loan duration entered in the worksheet. Next, click on cell B5. This cell will be used to calculate the total money paid over the full life of the loan. This is useful because it shows the complete amount you will pay back, not just the original loan amount. In cell B5, type the formula equal sign B4 asterisk B3 asterisk 12. This formula multiplies the monthly EMI by the total number of months in the loan term. Since B3 contains the number of years, multiplying it by 12 gives the total number of monthly payments. Multiplying that by B4 gives the total payback amount. Press Enter to apply the formula. Excel will now show the total amount paid across the entire loan period in cell B5. This value includes both the amount borrowed and the interest paid over time. Finally, click on cell B6. This cell will help you find the total borrowing cost, which is the total interest paid on the loan. This is an important value because it shows how much extra you are paying beyond the original loan amount. In cell B6, type the formula equal sign B5 B1 and then press Enter. This subtracts the original loan amount from the total amount paid. The result is the total interest cost for the loan. Now you have calculated the monthly EMI, the full payback amount, and the total interest cost in Microsoft Excel. That covers everything you need to know.